Fairest of all the earth beside, chiefest of all unto thy bride. Fullness divine in thee I see, wonderful man of Calvary. That man of Calvary has won my heart from me and died to set me free. Blessed man of Calvary. Fairest of all the earth beside, chiefest of all